Good morning, children. Now the continuation of exercise 1.1 fifth sum. Represent the following sets in set builder form. B is equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. Set builder form, the other name is rule form. That means we have to use the letter X for all players. Instead of all players, we will assign a letter X. B is equal to curly bracket X such that instead of the set you put curly bracket. Instead of all cricket players you put such that X. After that, from the question itself you can write the answer is singular. You have to make the plural to singular. All, instead of all you write is a cricket players, plural word, you make it a singular, is a cricket player in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. So subject, noun, here noun is all cricket players, but in set builder form make it as the plural, you have to write it as in singular. So X is a cricket player in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. So set builder form is, the other name for set builder form is a rule form. A rule form you have to write for all the cricket players, you assign the letter X and that X should be in the singular form. In the question it is given in all cricket players plural form. So you can repeat the same sentence in singular form. Now question second, the name of the set is given as C, but here the elements are in roster form. Here question number 1, it is question number 1, it is given in descriptive form. So from descriptive form you are writing in set builder form. Here roster form is given. So again, whenever you are asked to write in set builder form, assign each element by the letter X such that what is X? Here numerator starts from 1, 2, 3. Denominator is numerator plus 1 will get denominator. So if numerator 1, this is 1 plus 1. Numerator 2, how do you get 3? 2 plus 1, 3. Here numerator 3, how do you get 4? When you add 1 with 3. So when we write all numerator as n, denominator will be n plus 1. Suppose I take 1 as n, this n. How do you get denominator? Adding 1. So numerator n means denominator should be n plus 1, comma, what is n here? Natural numbers. N is an element, n belongs to natural numbers because it starts from 1, 2, 3 so on. You know capital N means natural numbers. It will start with 1, 2, 3. Here numerators are natural numbers. So numerator we will replace by small n. Denominator is numerator number with plus 1. So numerator n means denominator is n plus 1. Next we'll go to third question. D is equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. Again this is given in descriptive form. So here the noun is all Tamil months. So you have to write a Tamil month. Repeat the same sentence. Instead of the descriptive form we have to write set builder X. So we assign for all Tamil months. Tamil months Chittirai, Vaigasi, Ani, Avadi, Puratasi, Aipasi. For all Tamil months we are assigning a letter X. The word set we have to put a symbol curly bracket X such that, what X means? Such that X is a, so from the question you can write Tamil months given, you should write in singular form. Descriptive form is plural. Set builder form means singular. Tamil month in a year. Next, the set name is E. The set of odd, whole, numbers less than 9. Again, this is given in descriptive form. So how do you make it as set builder form? The set, instead of the word, you put curly bracket, odd whole numbers. So numbers, you have to change it as number. So singular is an, x such that x is an, because O is a vowel, you have to use an. Instead of a, we have to use an. X is an odd whole, numbers is given, so you have to write in singular, number less than 9. I think you can understand how to write set builder form in question number 5. Next we will go to 6th question. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. What is the other name for descriptive form? Descriptive form, how do you write descriptive form? Describing in words. You have to describe in words. So here the question is P is equal to curly bracket January, June, July. What is common here? These are all English months. Again, their starting letters are J. So you have to write this in words, describing the words. So answer is, instead of the curly bracket, you write the set of, instead of this January, June, July, write English. Here you have to write in plural. Previous question, set builder form, singular. Here descriptive form, plural. English months starting with J. So again roster form given question. Elements in Q are curly bracket 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So you must first find out what these numbers are. Do we have odd number here? Odd number means after 7, 9 should be there. So 9 is missing. So that means these numbers are family of prime numbers. So they belong to prime numbers. But not all the prime numbers are given. Prime numbers are given from 7 to 29. So that means previous prime number is what? 5. After 29, what is the prime number? 31. So in between prime numbers, between 5 and 31, these are the prime numbers between 5 and 31. So you must write the answer like this. Q, instead of the curly bracket, use the word the set of, what is prime numbers, plural form, but not all the prime numbers are given, only limited prime numbers given. So prime numbers, previous prime number is 5. After 29 you have 31, so write between 5 and 31.